How to add your phone as auto verification device on your Google account. What's up everyone? In this tutorial we're going to see how you can make your default device or the device that you're using as the auto verification device for your Google account. Let's begin. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. On that note, let's dive in. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your browser. I'm just going to use Google Chrome, and on the search bar you are going to search for Google account.google.com. So you're just going to search for account.google.com, and then from here you're going to type in /phone. So once you do this, it will take you directly to your phone settings, and make sure to choose the Google account that you want to set the verification of. I've already chosen my account, so here you will see different devices right here. So just make sure to turn the verification on like this. But as you can see, it's stating this device. This means the device that I'm using right now. You can just turn it on and tap in yes, I'm in, and follow the steps so that you will be able to use your phone as verification. If you found the video helpful, hit the like below and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.